Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you how to use this website to schedule group meetings using your Zoom. So here, the first thing you need to do here is to, of course, log in both your Calendly and then Zoom account. So in this section, you will be able to see here the integration tab. So you just need to tap on that one. And this section has various options to connect Calendly with different tools. And we are going to select Zoom. So here guys, under the integrations tab, find and click on Zoom. And then the Calendly will prompt you to authorize the connection. Here you just need to click authorize and then you can choose here depending on you if you want to connect Zoom for your organization or for yourself. So here, you just need to sign into your account or create an account or connect your um, account through your Google or your Facebook. So I am using my Google account here, then depending on you. So this is my Google account, and then you just need to tap on that one. And then after you've signed in, allow Calendly to access your Zoom account. So this connection allows Calendly to automatically generate unique Zoom links for each meeting schedule. So here guys, you just need to verify your age here. So as you can see here, you can also use this as an educator. And then after this one is you will be directed again here. So you'll be able to see here that now that the Calendly is connected to Zoom, it is now time to create a new event or edit an existing one to include a Zoom link. So going back to the dashboard of the Calendly, so what we need to do here is let's go back to the website, the Calendly. So here, you're going back to the Calendly website. You just need to search again and then wait for a minute because this may take some time. So you just need a good patience here, guys. So here, guys, it's now to create a new event. So here, you just need to click this one. Disclaimer, guys, you can also edit an existing one, guys. But here, we just need to create a new event here, guys, in Calendly. So what you need to do here is to just click on new event type. And then let's create another meeting. So here, you'll be able to see here, when you reach the location, you just need to select Zoom from the drop-down menu. And then with Zoom as the location, the Calendly will create a unique meeting for you. And that's it, guys. You are all set up to use this website with your Zoom. So thanks for watching. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and share for more tips.